Hi, welcome to this video. If you are looking for a speech recognition engine, you are on the right video. So first, why using speech recognition? Here are multiple use cases. The first one is for call center. Speech recognition allows to analyze all the audio data recorded by call centers and identify trends in customer. For governance and security, with speech recognition, you can extract from calls the information to verify, like for example, account number, date of birth, etc. And finally, it allows the banks to improve their security and their process for call with customers. So, if you want to use speech recognition engine, you need to use the MultiCloud approach. First, because there are many performance providers on the market, so you will need to find the best according to your data. You will also need to find the cheapest, because prices can be very different between providers. And finally, sometimes it can be interesting to combine different engines. You can have, for example, one engine that is great for one language and another that is better for another language. So sometimes combination can be useful. But the MultiCloud approach presents inconvenience. The first one is that you will need to subscribe and contract with all the providers and also master each documentation. And this documentation can be very different, so it is very time consuming. And finally, you also need to monitor the cost associated to each providers, and this is complicated. So, to solve these problems and also easily use speech recognition engines, we created Eden AI. Here with the Eden AI platform, you can access to the engines from different providers. Here, for example, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and IBM. You enter your audio data here and you get the results of the different engines with also the rapidity and here the prices of the different providers. Of course, for your use in production, we provide the SDK. Here with the SDK, few lines of code, you can use the engines that you want to use for a project. Here we called as a simple parameter Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and IBM engines, and we get the results of these different engines. Finally, on the Eden AI platform, you can also monitor the costs associated to each providers by selecting here in the filters speech to text. You can have access to all conceptions from different providers. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more information about this subject, you can read our complete article on our website edenai.com.